Okay, so here's part of the lecture that is just repetition. Classifying air masses. We classify them based on two factors, latitude and surface area. Okay, so the latitude determines the temperature. The surface area determines whether it's going to be dry or wet. You probably figured that out from the last video, but just in case, here we go. So latitude gives you three letters: polar, Arctic, and tropic. Now remember I said you can kind of just drop Arctic, so you basically just need polar or tropic, but I'll tell you about Arctic anyway. And then the surface areas are marine or continental, or maritime and continental, basically M and C. So you have PAT and MC. Now you'll notice the PAT are capitalized, the MC are smaller case letters. So the CP, continental polar. Now, you have to forget grammar because normally grammar is capital letter, small letter, right? However, it's switched, small letter then capital letter. The latitude is the capitals, the humidity factor is the smaller. So continental polar, very cold, very dry. Continental Arctic, very cold, very dry. Continental tropic, warm and dry. That's the one that pops up in the summertime here, right? MP, marine polar, cold and wet. That's these two here. MT, marine tropic, warm and wet. That's these two down here.